Question 4.3 now says, after getting our unknowns of our equations, calculate the coordinates of C. And C in this instance is our turning point. And if we write down our f of x with our known value, we have the f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 3. So ideally there's two ways to do this, but if we do this the functions technique, which is what we generally used to from grade 10 and 11, we use our axis of symmetry equation, which is x is equals to minus b over 2a. And if we go ahead and sub those values in, we get minus 2 all over 2 times 1, and x is equals to minus 1. But now this is just the x coordinate, so this is just minus 1. And how we get the y value, we need to take minus 1 and sub it into the original equation, which is y. And then when we see x, we just put minus 1. And therefore we get a y value of minus 4. And as you can see, that checks out. If you look at the actual graph and exactly where C is situated, it looks kind of like minus 1 there on the left hand side of the negative x-axis, and quite below D, which is minus 3, and now C is, which is minus 4, which is in proportion. So therefore C is minus 1 and minus 4. So the alternative technique again would be your calculus technique, where you would find the derivative and equate it to 0. That's how you would get x is equals to minus 1, and then still take that and sub it into the original equation.